Hello everyone. Welcome to another Inner Life 101 video. Listen, I have something interesting to show here, and it is from our neighborhood guru, the Christ, the Elijah Muhammad, aka Father Tahuti. You know who he is. It's Nature Boy, wanting to be all of these things without working to do it or to become it. Anyways, this was his post today. He said, "You'll never see butterflies socializing with caterpillars. Caterpillars. Even the species of nature understand the concept of disassociation after development. Some people are so focused on fitting in that that they're failing to fly." Oh, wow, that's just an amazing epiphany that he had. But listen, I had to comment on it. It just disturbed me uh, to hear him talk about things that he don't know anything about. So my comment is this: how do you know? Have you ever watched butterflies? As a matter of fact, they have to hang out together. They are the same. They happen to go through their life cycles in the same environment together. They're family. Well, you know, it looking at that made me think about, where can you watch butterflies? How, you know, that's number one. He's never watched a butterfly. I'm quite sure he's never watched butterflies. Sure, he's seen them fly around or something, but that's it. He's never watched a butterfly. He might have seen a caterpillar over here and a caterpillar over here and a bumble. I mean a butterfly over there. Butterfly flying around. I mean, really, if you're flying around and you're crawling on the ground, you're not going to see them too much. But I'm pretty sure that there is a space someplace uh, in the uh, in the environment. There's a certain environment that butterflies flock to, and caterpillars flock to become butterflies. I'm sure that there's a specific environment that they thrive in. So, we just don't know it. We just don't see it. We don't know if it's under someone's porch, if it's under a certain tree, or if it's in uh, the rocks of caves or something. We don't know where they are. But I do know someone who does know where they are. And excuse me, and someone who has watched butterflies. Yes, you know her, Master Fundi Fee, as they call her. And I think every one of you should send her this so that she will know that Eligio is making stuff up again. Anyways, let's hear her video.
There we go. See if I can swerve in for you guys.
There's a caterpillar. I can't say it. I'm a little country, so.
So you can see this change. See, now I can't see anything. I don't know. Can you guys see him?
Well, she already
Screw this.
showed
I
the
got this.
butterfly.
I'm gonna hold
There's a butterfly up top.
I'm sorry, you guys. This is my first time, so
And there's
give
a
me a break.
caterpillar down on the leaves down there. So, once again,
So you can see
Eligio,
that J-hole is taking place.
I want to say that without her in the background, but once again, I guess this time, Fundi Fee has proven Nature Boy wrong. He just makes stuff up. How do you even talk about butterflies? And most of us have never seen it. Most of us never seen it. Sure, we see them out there. Same thing he's saying that you don't see animals hanging out together. You don't see bears and stuff. They're have attachments, so they get away from their families once they're born and everything. Because he don't know. He don't. You don't study bears. You don't study any of this stuff that he says. So, anyways, he's ridiculous. Anyways, everyone, thank you for listening to this little video and taking a look. And do me a favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and blessings.
And if you guys can see, those yellow rings are starting to turn green. That's the chrysalis taking place, man. That's that chrysalis taking place. So let me see.
So in this video, it shows butterflies and caterpillars actually hanging, literally hanging out together.